Hello. You are on the Lingolands channel. We invite you to learn common verbs. 1. To be. For example, I am a student. 2. To have. For example, she has a cat. 3. To do. For example, they do their homework. 4. To go. For example, he goes to school. 5. To make. For example, I make breakfast. 6. To take. For example, she takes a bus to work. 7. To get. For example, she gets up early. 8. To see. For example, I see the stars. 9. To think. For example, she thinks a lot. 10. To come. For example, they come to the party. 11. To want. For example, I want a new bike. 12. To need. For example, she needs help. 13. To like. For example, I like ice cream. 14. To love. For example, she loves music. 15. To give. For example, I give you a gift. 16. To work. For example, he works in an office. 17. To play. For example, they play soccer. 18. To speak. For example, she speaks English. 19. To eat. For example, he eats an apple. 20. To drink. For example, I drink water. 21. To sleep. For example, he sleeps at night. 22. To live. For example, she lives in Paris. 23. To read. For example, I read a book. 24. To write. For example, he writes a letter. 25. To learn. For example, we learn English. 25. To learn. For example, we learn English. 27. To call. For example, he calls her mom. 28. To try. For example, they try new food. 29. To start. For example, I start my work at 9 a.m. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the Lingolands channel. See you soon.